While You Learn is a 46-week program where our students get paid at the same time training young people or people getting into a new career how to get into this trade.
It is a one-year program where you are taught CNC machining, and they pay you while you learn. And you work on real parts in the industry. So for one full year, you're working on real parts in Windsor, Ontario, and you're getting paid for it. It's an amazing program, to be honest.
So it's completely free. You come in, we set you up with some tools. It's minimum wage paid. So literally you can go from not having any work experience, not having any education, coming here, have a full-time job. When you leave here, you have a career.
We start out in the classroom, usually with a 3-week program upstairs, but we'll bring you into this program like you've never stepped foot in a shop before. You have to have zero knowledge of the trade or the industry, and we will teach you everything you need to know to get you started. There's no tuition whatsoever. Like I said, the students are getting paid basically from the time they start till the time they finish.
Everybody here does leave with a job, so I mean, you got to take that opportunity and run with it. So you got to do the best you can. So we provide your foot in the door, and it's their job to kind of run with it.
If you want a job, you have a job, right? I tell students all the time, if you want to be a general laborer, you can be a general laborer from this, right? Or you can take it and you can one day open your own machine shop if you want to. The dreams are there, right? It's just you got to strive for them. What you want, you can get out of it.
This program has been around for 15 years, and not a single person has not been placed after they're finished with the program. It's a career, and a career you'll have for life. You will never be unemployed. I mean, as soon as you get out there and the placement of your job you have, no matter what happens, if you want to move around or anything like that, you are in for life. You'll never be out of a job.
Once you get in, you know, you can spend a lifetime in this industry.
It's honestly a dream. Every day I wake up knowing I have a career. I now have 4 little boys. So being able to get up and show them like you can do it, right? Going from nothing, like my now 15-year-old, going from me struggling every day to having a career, and now showing his little brothers like they don't have to go through that same thing. It's worth it.